Hey guys, it's Ryan Nicolaitis at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today we are going to be looking at the 2025 Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless. Let's check it out. All right, y'all, stern side. This boat is powered with a V8 MERCURY 300, 2 jump seats aft, and a live fishing well in the middle to make this so easy. Right here, we have multiple cup holders. Everything's perfectly set up. And for the hull of the boat, we have these awesome leaning posts that easily slip down in the captain's chair. Super comfortable ride. It's powered with Simrad, JL audio, and electric trim tabs. In the seating area, we have these adjustable armrests, and the storage on this boat is crazy. Look at that. Deep, deep storage. Everything on the bow of the boat, all these lily pad cushions, they can all fit comfortably in that storage area. Once again, I'm Ryan Nicolaitis at MarineMax in Lewisville. Go ahead and come on in so we can show you this beautiful boat and get you out on the water.